Namaste. I'm Shalini Modi. I'm an author with interests in our ancient scriptures and temples. So let me take you on this beautiful journey to a temple in the city of Guwahati in the northeastern state of Assam, Kamakhya Ji. This is the temple I'm talking about. It's nestled on Nilachal Hill in Guwahati. Here, there is no idol. Instead, you will find caves with water in them. And the importance lies in touching the water and putting it to your forehead. There are many, many temples here on this hill, and is why this whole hill is considered to be Devi incarnate. There are Shivji's temples, Bhairavji, and the 10 Mahavidya temples. So the story goes that Sati Ma had self-immolated herself during the yajna being held at her father's house. She did so because Shivji was insulted, and Shivji was so disturbed that he carried her body around in rage. Vishnu Bhagwan, to calm him down, cut the mother's body with his Sudarshan Chakra into 51 parts. Wherever these parts fell, they became energy centers, 51 Shakti Pitas, with Bhairavji, the fierce form of Shivji, as the guardian. So here in Kamakhya Ji, mother's yoni fell, and that's why 3 days, or rather 4 days in a year, mother menstruates and the temple is shut. But the premises is filled with sadhak, aghoris, devotees who come here to carry out sadhana because the Nilachal Hill is vibrating with energy. This year, this occurrence will happen between 22nd to 26th of June. This happens at the onset of monsoon and summer solstice. Here, the red water that I was talking about in the inner sanctum turns red. And that is why the priests keep a white cloth before the temple is shut. And this cloth turns red. So don't forget to ask for this special piece of cloth from the priest if you're visiting Kamakhya Mandir. Another state where a similar occurrence or festival happens is Orissa. Here, the fertility of earth is celebrated on the onset of monsoon in the month of June. Fertility and womanhood is celebrated, and the women are given an off from the regular tasks, and rituals are carried out to celebrate Mother Earth's fertility. It's a belief that these 3 days of the festival, Mother Earth menstruates. It's amazing to see how in our country, through the length and breadth, everything is celebrated and considered divine. The very fact of living, the humans, the land, the very existence is divine. It is not just in the temples that divinity is looked at. Jai Ma Kamakhya, Jai Bharat Mata.